Hi everyone, Dr. David Kulla here with Synergy Wellness in New York City. So for those of you that have a patella tracking problem in their knee or knees, both knees possibly, I've done a video on how to tell if you have a patellar tracking issue, and you can tell on your own. So make sure you check that video out, because first, you want to know if you have the issue. But I suppose doing the exercises I'm about to give you for patellar tracking syndrome aren't going to hurt you. They could help you, but if you have patellar tracking syndrome to one side and not the other, and you don't know which side is weak, right? So the quads have three, the middle muscle in the middle, the rectus femoris there. You've got the medial, vastus medialis, and lateralis. So three branches there of the quad, and the inner and the outer often cause issues with tracking of the patella. There could be weakness on either the outer or the inner. Typically it's the inner that's weak, most often, but not in every case, especially if you're like a cyclist or something like that, where your lateral quads are much more developed, okay? So these exercises here I'm about to show you, so once you've checked to see whether you have a patellar tracking issue and which side is weak, the inner part of your thigh or the outer part of your thigh, and which one you need to strengthen. The first two exercises are for a patellar tracking issue or weakness in the vastus medialis, or the inner part of your thigh. So when you push the kneecap in medially, okay, towards the other knee, then and that hurts when you squeeze your quad, then you know that it's a vastus medialis weakness. So you're going to go ahead and do these two exercises I'm about to show you here. And these two exercises, I want you to do 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps, and try to do 4 sets at least 2 or 3 times a week. If you do that, you will see a huge difference. Just these 2 following exercises for a vastus medialis weakness, or a patellar tracking issue when pushing the kneecap in on our patellar tracking test. That's another video to watch. Now, the next 2 videos are videos that you can use to strengthen the vastus lateralis, or the outside of the kneecap. If you push the knee out towards the outside, away from the other leg, and squeeze the quad and you have pain, then it's a vastus lateralis weakness, and you need to make sure that you strengthen them with the following 2 exercises that we're about to show you here for vastus lateralis strengthening. I hope this helps you guys. Thanks for tuning in, and feel free to comment below if you have any questions.
Sit in a chair and turn the foot of the affected leg slightly outwards. Straighten your knee, keeping the foot turned outwards as you lift it off the floor. Sit upright on a chair. Place a medium-sized ball between your knees, and squeeze it throughout this exercise. Slowly straighten your affected knee. Control the movement as you lower the leg back down again, remembering to keep the pressure on the ball throughout. Sit with your legs out straight and take support from your arms behind you. Place a rolled towel under your knee. Push the back of your knee down against the towel and then straighten your leg, lifting your heel from the floor. Hold this position, then control the movement back to the start position. Sit upright on a chair. Slowly straighten your affected knee, pointing your toes towards the ceiling. Control the movement as you slowly lower the leg back down.